Most SaaS founders obsess over growing their SaaS revenue month by month, but they're completely missing the bigger picture. While they're celebrating hitting 5K MIR, smart entrepreneurs are building assets worth 500K. I'm going to show you exactly how SaaS revenue actually works and why your current approach is probably costing you millions. By the end of this video, you'll understand the 3 revenue pillars that separate hobby projects from real businesses. Here's what I see happening everywhere. People launch a SaaS, get their first few customers, and then get stuck in this endless grind of trying to grow revenue dollar by dollar. They're posting screenshots of their $500 en route like it's a victory, completely unaware that they've built themselves into a prison. The real problem isn't that growing SaaS revenue is hard, it's that most people are optimizing for the wrong thing entirely. They're thinking like freelancers, not asset builders. They price their product at $19 per month because it feels accessible, then wonder why they need 500 customers just to hit 10K ride in revenue. Meanwhile, they're burning out from customer support, drowning in feature requests, and their passive income SaaS is consuming 60 hours a week. The brutal truth? If you're not thinking about SaaS revenue as asset valuation from day one, you're building an expensive hobby, not a business. The fundamental shift you need to make is this. SaaS revenue isn't about monthly recurring payments. It's about building a valorizable asset. Real SaaS businesses operate on what I call the asset-first revenue model. Instead of chasing small monthly payments, you're building something worth 4x to 10x your annual revenue when you sell. That means a SaaS doing a 100Ks per year isn't just generating revenue. It's a $400K to $1 million asset sitting on your balance sheet. This changes everything about how you price, who you target, and how you think about growth. The entrepreneurs making real money understand this distinction. They're not optimizing for MRR screenshots. They're optimizing for asset value and eventual exit. Let me break down the 3 pillars that actually drive valuable SaaS revenue. First, high ticket only. If your SaaS is under $100 per month, you're in the micro SaaS trap. To make 50K in revenue, you need 42 customers at $100 per month at OAV, or 833 customers at $5 per month. That's 20x more support tickets, 20x more churn management, 20x more headaches for the same revenue. Smart SaaS builders target 300 bullet churn for heading each to $500 per month minimum. Second, B to B with real budgets. Consumer SaaS is a venture capital game. Bootstrap SaaS winners target businesses that already spend money on solutions. A medical practice pays $20K buck for equipment. Without blinking, $500 per month for qualified patient leads is nothing to them. Third, boring profitable niches. Everyone wants to build the next Slack. Meanwhile, there are thousands of industries using terrible software from 2010, paying way too much with zero modern alternatives. That's where the real money is. If you want to see how I identify these goldmine niches in the complete revenue roadmap, I put together a free training that walks through everything. Link is in the description. Here's something you can implement in the next 24 hours that will completely change your revenue potential. Stop selling a tool. Start selling a result. This is what I call RAAS, Result as a Service. Instead of saying, here's software that tracks your inventory, you say, we reduce your inventory cost by 15% guaranteed. The client isn't buying features, they're buying an outcome. Your software is just how you deliver that outcome. This shift lets you charge 3x to 5x more because you're tied to business value, not feature comparisons. A real example, instead of building social media scheduling software for $29 per month, you build guaranteed lead generation system for $497 per month. Same underlying technology, completely different value proposition. The scheduling is just one component of the result you're delivering. This is how you break out of the commodity pricing trap and start building real revenue. Built a SaaS for dental practices. Instead of competing with existing dental software at $99 per month, he positioned it as a patient retention system at $497 per month. Same basic functionality, appointment scheduling, reminders, follow-ups, but framed around the result, keeping patients coming back. 6 months in, he's at $47K, $4 Britter, with just 95 customers. If he'd gone the traditional route at $99 per month, he'd need 475 customers to hit the same revenue. That's 5x fewer support tickets, 5x fewer onboarding calls, 5x less churn to manage. His SaaS revenue isn't just higher, it's more valuable. At 6x revenue multiple, he's sitting on a $3.4 million asset. This is the kind of thinking that separates real businesses from expensive hobbies. This exact positioning strategy is something I break down completely in my free training. Link in the description.